Durafit diesel particulate filter, product features and benefits. Manufactured in Hobart, Indiana, Durafit is the only vertically integrated DPF manufacturer in the market. What does that mean? We control the process, manufacturing process and product performance. Durafit utilizes our own coating designs, state-of-the-art coating process, steel processing, canning, and welding. Let's take a look at the DPF product. OEM grade substrate. Advanced catalyst improves performance, efficiency, and durability. Upgraded matting. Stainless steel retaining rings help reduce failure from vibration, back pressure, and extreme temperatures. High-grade stainless steel can resist corrosion and improves durability. Precision-crafted flanges ensure a durable sealing surface to guard against leaks. Gaskets and clamps included where required help reduce installation time and cost. All of this comes with a 3-year industry-leading unlimited mileage warranty, made in the USA. Tried, tested, proven. Durafit, building DPFs above standards. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website at apemissions.com.